Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. As y'all will notice, I haven't uploaded recently, and that's mainly because I'm gonna try to go to just once a month. On the the updates, put those in the wheels. And I guess we'll get started with all the boxes. I'll go ahead and let everybody know, or let everybody see, I did go ahead and buy the J Replace. I guess judging by the writing, it's China. So I did buy their 180 taillight conversion. And I am going to be comparing it to the OEM Nissan one. You have to excuse the pillow dust and the mess. I did manage to chop up the vert a little bit more. So there they are, side-by-side comparison. Automatically, you notice the J Replace has an almost dark ring around them. You can see the LED ring, halos, I guess. And you can see the, the more LEDs for the blinkers. The OEM ones, the blinkers definitely have a lot more depth in them. They do have a slight ring, but it's not as dark as the J Replace. On the back side, both of these, the J Replace are plug and play for the USDM harnesses, and these have to you have to buy the conversion harnesses. The J Replace also comes with I can't find it right now. I've lost it like 4 times already. It comes with a spacer for the that's about to fall. Anyway, it comes with a spacer so you can still run your OEM lock. It does have the metal rear garnish, and that's it. It does, it also obviously comes with the center garnish as well. Oh, there it is. There's a spacer. Center garnish. Packing, they came packed really good. They came with the, the little pillow, air pillow, like plastic giant poppers, I guess. The OEM ones came packed really well as well. It's literally a freaking pillow. But the OEM kit does come with the center garnish, or under the, the taillight panel, center garnish, left light, right light, new lock, keys, the nuts for the lights maybe, and the seal that goes around the edge of the light. So where J Replace has, it kind of has it too. And it's got the little chalk right and whatnot. The OEM ones, I had to actually pull up the information, and I wanted to be it as transparent as possible. And Nissan nor enjuku is sponsoring me on this one, or this all came out of my own pocket over the years. You'll understand what I mean in a minute. The taillights, the J Replace can be bought on, from what I saw online, of course, enjuku, because I believe J Replace is their brand, and on Kuro Works. And the OEM can be found all over the place. Several people, anybody. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can go into your local dealership and pick up a set. Now, the OEM ones I've had for a while. Like I said, I had to. Apparently, I bought these in March 2019 for $498, and then after shipping, it was $596 or I'm sorry, $570 after shipping, taxes and all that. And this was back in 2019. The J replace I just bought on Black Friday with the discount. Theirs were normally are $699. I believe free shipping. With the discount, Black Friday discount and everything, it came out to $170, say $172. I'll round up for the immediate things. But that being said, these are plug and play straight out of the box, and in theory. And these, you do need to get a conversion harness. I just bought a set off of Amazon for $33. It should be here Monday. And all in all, I mean, for the most part, they look the same, feel about the same. I mean, me personally, I prefer the OEM lights because they have a bit of depth to them. I posted a picture on online on the social medias, and a lot of people were saying they prefer the J replace. But for me personally, definitely the OEM, just because it has a little bit of depth in the blinkers, and it doesn't have that ring. The ring kind of gets me. But that's just personal preference. Like I said, a lot of people like the J replace. But that being said as well, I mean, if you could get these at the 2019 price, it'd be amazing. But currently, what I just did a quick online search from TF Works. They have it at $11.95 right now. Z1 has them at $15.17, and Nissan Race Shop, where I got those originally back in 19, they have them at $14.63. Now, that being said, I had originally contacted Nissan Race Shop and asked them if there was anything they could do at the time, or if they had any sales coming up for whatever, and they just pretty much blew me off and treated me like I was a piece of shit. So I wouldn't recommend them personally. I mean, I would just actually get them from TF Works and save a few $100. Yeah, I mean, or let's be honest, I mean, for $700 give or take, you can get these, so you can save a lot of money, almost more than half, I'd say. I mean, I suck at math, but so those are the goals where we're at. This is just a quick rundown, an initial feeling vibe. Yeah, I can. Snow came over, and we got to working on the little bit of cleaning up. I can walk through. I had actually broken the garage door again. So, that being said, we will be using the OEM hatch for a test dummy, and then I will be going back to OEM taillights. So stay tuned. I do plan on doing the compatibility test, seeing if the lower panel will work with the OEM, if the lights will work with the J replace, and all kinds of combinations. If the center panel will work with those, that way, if you just want to mix and match and play around. Because I mean, if you have a set of kouki tails already and you want to hang on, mind the noise. So if you have a set of kouki tails and you broke one and you just want to, buy the two lights, that way you don't have to buy the panel, and we're going to see what works together, what doesn't. From initial viewings and lookings and whatnot, it does look like everything will interchange, hopefully. Mainly being the lower taillight panel, as this is a lot cheaper than OEM. We're gonna see, I guess I got a mic somewhere. Oop, there it is. I might even get some sheet metal, seeing if it's any thicker or any better or whatnot. But yeah, like I said, that's been in storage for 6+ years, give or take. And these just came out, so technically both are brand spanking new. It should be it should be the most well, I don't say basic, but the most equal comparison I can give y'all. I lost my oh, there it is. Let me see. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully, I know I said I'm gonna do my videos once a month, but I'm gonna try to get another one out before vacation. So yeah, I mean, it's looking like the J Replace is going to come out on top for the simple aspect of it being plug and play and it being significantly cheaper now. Like I said, I was lucky enough to get mine back in the day when they were still brand new and still affordable. But the addition of having to buy conversion harnesses is just going to be that much more of a pain in the ass. Oh, I don't know if I showed y'all last time, but I did get another intake for the KA. So maybe KAT on the vert and something else, since I have another KA one over there. So yeah, I'll do a more in-depth. I plan on doing lighting output test. I hope to get this cleaned out enough to where I can pull the vert or the hatch in at night, and I should be able to run up to the driveway, have the brakes pressed, blinkers, and while yes, LEDs may be brighter at close view, I want to see how they look at, from 4 or 5 car lengths away. So we'll go with that. We'll see what's up. We'll see how it's going. Sorry about the long video this time. But yeah, in today's life tip, we'll go ahead and go with, oh yeah, I mean, it's just, you can see the difference in the outer black line as you go around. It might be, like I said, that might be something for somebody. That might be, it might do it for them. Like I said, personal preference, really. But today's life lesson, we'll go with, don't discourage anybody. Even if they're just trying to discourage you, just fuck it, man. Man, live your life. Let them live their sad existence over one. Don't let it bring you down, man. Trust me, y'all, especially being involved in an enthusiast community, there's always going to be somebody to tell you how to build your car, how to do whatever you should do, basically how to treat your own shit, and just blow it off, man. It's not worth it. So yeah, I mean, we'll go ahead and I will not be installing the seals because this is still going to Optimus Primer, the OEM ones. The J Replace will most likely be going on the other hatch, and like I said, the OEM hatch will be staying original. I may go ahead and do LED bulbs, but yeah, that's about it. I'll see y'all guys hopefully shortly. If not, I'll do another video, or I'll set up another video to be released on the 1st. But stay tuned, guys. It should be getting a lot more interesting.